up, BGO fam? Welcome ulit sa panibagong episode ng Zablog! Una sa lahat, happy 24th anniversary Bethel Global Outreach! Grabe, 24 years na tayo. Hindi biro yun ha. Maraming salamat sa Panginoon at sa buhay ninyong lahat for staying and fighting for your faith through thick and thin. Kaya we managed to come this far by the Lord's grace. At syempre, magpapatuloy pa sa mas maraming pang taon because the Lord is doing something new in His church. Naging kakaiba rin ang celebration natin ng 24th year. Una na dyan is nagkaroon tayo ng joint service ngayong February. Nagkaroon tayo ng Sport Fest kung saan nag-fellowship tayo through basketball, volleyball, badminton, and chess. Hindi lang yan, kasi nagkaroon din ng date time ang mag-aasawa during our couples night. At meaningful fellowship ang ating mga young adults noong February 9. And it doesn't stop there. We also had the opportunity to hold our first ever BGO Farm Run na dinaluhan ng almost 300 participants. Muli, happy 24th anniversary BGO! Declaring more of God's faithfulness sa buhay ng bawat isa. This is Kuya Sab at kita-kita tayo sa ating next vlog. To God be all the glory!